Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here. As you can see, I'm wearing my Bobcat hat, and that is very fitting because today we've been playing with Bobcats. Now, I speak of course of Bobcat the brand, not just Bobcat the actual skid steer, because look what we have today. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Bobcat E32. This is a mini excavator. Came with the bucket and thumb, which has been very helpful. Because not only have we been digging, we've been tearing stuff out as well. Open station cab, and then I'm going to flip how to drive one of these. You guys want to learn how to drive one? Let's do that right now.
Welcome to the Bobcat Mini Excavator here. It's a fun machine. We've been having a little bit of a good time on this morning. Fixing up the rain garden there, so hopefully it will drain. We've already loaded it on the trailer here. Getting ready to take it back to the rental place. Save a few funds. However, it's a pretty easy machine to operate. You've got to get it from point A to point B. That's what these little levers right here are for. You know, forward, reverse. It's kind of the same steering as a skid steer. It also has these handy dandy little pedals down here that you can use. And I also noticed it has these flip outs here, which I'm not exactly sure why you'd use that, but if you had really short legs or something, that might be. Anyway, options are nice. The main controls to this are these two joysticks right here. This joystick raises the entire boom up. This joystick right here, it will raise the front half of the boom to extend it, and then this joystick also, when you go left to right with it, it actually actuates just the bucket. There's a switch on the top here, which left or right, and there is a claw that is attached to that bucket, so you can pick up rocks, logs, things like that. It's pretty daggone handy, actually. You know, a skid steer, it's just a bucket, you can just scoop things, but with this you can actually pick them up and place them. We moved some pretty good sized rocks over there this morning. It's got, as far as gauge wise, you got a fuel gauge, and you've got your cluster here to let you know if anything's going wrong and what features you have engaged. It has a switch here for your auxiliary power, and that's to engage these two levers right here. It's these, you know, this side is stationary, this side folds down, and that's what this little red lever is for. You pull it up so you can enter and exit the machine. Push it back down and you're in here. Just a quick, since we do have the front blade down, which you can see right here, and that's used for if you're trenching with this thing and then you want to go back and fill in the trench, you've got something you can just push the soil back in there, put one of the tracks over your trench and pack it down in there. But that's what this lever right here is for. The throttle is awfully odd looking. I've never seen a throttle like that, but it's actually just a round button, which is kind of neat. Usually I've always seen a lever or something like that, but it works. But just to give you a little quick demo here, we will turn it on. Glow plugs are warm. Throttle there. And then just to show you the joystick control. Part of your boom. Okay, and then to operate the bucket, twist it left or right with the handle, and then to get your claw to work, you've got that little button right there on the top. See how that grab logs or rocks or whatever? Pretty handy machine. And that's really about it, actually. This lever also, I can do this. Watch yourself. I don't want to get you. This lever also. Big on either side. Where you're Hydraulics are a wonderful thing.